How are you today? How are you today? I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from England. I'm from England. How old are you? How old are you? I'm 15 years old. I'm 15 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in London. I live in London. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What time is it now? What time is it now? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? No, I prefer coffee. No, I prefer coffee. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I like pizza. I like pizza. What are you eating? What are you eating? I'm eating rice. I'm eating rice. Do you like fruits? Do you like fruits? Yes, I love fruits. Yes, I love fruits. What do you like to drink? What do you like to drink? I like juice. I like juice. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6. I wake up at 6. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10. Do you sleep well? Do you sleep well? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you work or study? Do you work or study? I study. I study. Where do you study? Where do you study? I study at school. I study at school. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. Do you like your teacher? Do you like your teacher? Yes, he is very kind. Yes, he is very kind. Do you like studying English? Do you like studying English? Yes, I love English. Yes, I love English. Why are you learning English? Why are you learning English? I want to travel and talk to people. I want to travel and talk to people. Do you speak English every day? Do you speak English every day? Yes, I practice daily. Yes, I practice daily. How do you practice English? How do you practice English? I listen and repeat. I listen and repeat. Do you watch English videos? Do you watch English videos? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you read English books? Do you read English books? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Do you write in English? Do you write in English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you use an English app? Do you use an English app? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Do you listen to English songs? Do you listen to English songs? Yes, I enjoy them. Yes, I enjoy them.